This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone, and welcome back in today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get just into it. So first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So after you sign up or your inscription on Perplexity, you'll find this page and this options. So you have just to write your email address and your password, and then you get started with Perplexity. So this is the home page. We have here various information, like here we have the price. So Perplexity, we have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search in the internet with unlimited pro searches, upgraded EA models, limited file upload, image generation, and APA credits. Then we have here standard to start for free, no credit card needed, free forever, and we have here continue with free, limited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity EA model optimized for speed and quality, great a profile to personalize your answers also. If you come back to the home page, you can just ask anything, for example, how to make money on Perplexity. For example, then you click over here, and here we have sources. About this one, we have here various sources. So we have the first one, how to make money with Perplexity AI beginners, and you have here make money with Perplexity AI for beginners, and 2024 to have you unlocking the potential earn money with Perplexity AI chatbot Tollify.ea. So we have here Tollify, then you have YouTube here, 3 ways to make money with Perplexity EA in 2024. You have 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity EA. We have your EA business plans, how to automate Perplexity EA for passive income EA business plans. You have EA business plans. You have your Perplexity EA chatbot complete make money tutorial 2024 YouTube. And then we have the last one, how does Perplexity EA make money? I can't find anything about it, and you have here Reddit. Then we have here videos here explain that. Also we have here search images, and about the answers we have here freelancing opportunities. You can just content creation, editing and proofreading. Net monetization we have just to start YouTube videos and online courses, automation for passive income, automate content generation, and about conclusion we have here by utilizing the capabilities of Perplexity effectively. Individuals can tap into various income streams, draw freelancing, content creation, and automation strategies. So I will show you all these tips how you can earn money with Perplexity. So let's come back. So we have here also focus, like here we have web, writing, academic, video, math, social, so you can just choose it. Then we have here the pro one, so we have here our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. Then we have here some subjects like I'll just cooking, oils, tax savings, ideas. Then we have best coffee shops to work from in Paris, and we have a market size of the greater economics. Also we have here you choose a language, English, French, German, we have Japanese, Korean, simplified, Spanish. So I will choose English of course. So on Perplexity you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services to a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So I will show you how. So let's dive into Upwork.com. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. So this is how you can get started with Upwork. Then we have other website which is LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to our Perplexity profile to paid advisory services. So this is how it works with these two things. So this is how it works by offering expert consulting and advisory services. And let's move on to the next one. We have it's earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content and develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. You have just to offer these resources through Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for free and attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, you have just to go to udemy.com, and first you have to develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable except or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then we have here the last way, it's which is developing and offering tools or apps. So the first thing that you have to do is just know how it works. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionally encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So the first website we have here, App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs, promote your apps on Perplexity by showcasing uh, its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have here Product Hunt. To earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight key features and benefits. Promote your Product Hunt launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how you can get started. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by staying responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adoptions. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.